What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to open your account in Glassdoor. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Glassdoor. Uh, if you want to enter Glassdoor through URL, just type in glassdoor.nl. So you will be welcome to this dashboard of Glassdoor. If you directly search it on Google, like you search for Glassdoor, you will see the first official website of Glassdoor. Just simply click on it and then you will be welcome to the dashboard of Glassdoor. Now, if you are new here like me, you can continue with your Google account, your Apple account, or you can enter your email. I am signing in with my Google account. Now, after logging in or signing in with your Google account, you will see this option of Welcome to Glassdoor. You will see these options like, do you have a job? If you have a job, click on yes. Or if you don't have a job, click on not at the moment. Or if you're a student, click on no, I'm a student. And after that, it will ask you about your desired position. Like, uh, I'll type in content. After writing your desired function, enter your desired location. I'll type in Dubai. After that, click on Get On. Now it will ask you about your recent internship or job. You can tell them about, and you can write your recent internship or currently the internship that you are doing. Or if you don't have a recent internship or if you are not doing any type of current internship, just click on I have not yet had a part-time job or an internship. After clicking, you will see the Glassdoor app QR code. You can scan this QR code and download Glassdoor for your mobile. And after downloading the app, click on Ready. So now, as you can see, you have been logged in and you have created your own Glassdoor account. Now you can upload your resume from here and you can find companies and then salaries. And after that, you can find the vacancies here. Now, if you want to just search your job, click on this one and it will show you like find the perfect job and type your job like content writer and then place uh, Abu Dhabi, for example. So this will search about content writer, internships or jobs in Abu Dhabi. So as you can see, here are multiple types of internships and jobs for content writer in Abu Dhabi. This is how you can open your account and use Glassdoor to find jobs and internships. And that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.